Chief guest of today's event, Shri Tsering Angchuk, Honorable Deputy Chairman, Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council. Guest of honor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Professor Saket Kushwaha. Dr. Tsewang Namgyal, Executive Director, Snow Leopard Conservancy India Trust. Dr. Mohammad Hussain, Dean Science, University of Ladakh. Dr. Subrat Sharma, Dean Research Studies, University of Ladakh. Deans of different schools, faculty members, participants, students, and dear friends. A very warm good evening to all of you. I, Dr. Kutsia Tabassum, on the behalf of University of Ladakh, formally welcomes you all to the valedictory function of two-day symposium on safeguarding frozen lifelines, glacier and cryosphere preservation in Ladakh, organized by University of Ladakh, co-organized by Snow Leopard Conservancy India Trust and Ohio State University, Columbus, Ohio, USA. Ladies and gentlemen, to begin the program, may now I request Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Professor Saket Kushwaha, to kindly formally welcome the dignitaries with traditional khataks and a memento. Please, sir. Thank you so much, sir. May now I request all of you to kindly rise for the national anthem. Janagana mana adhinayak jaya he Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Utkal Bhanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladi Tarak तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे Jaya, 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 He. Thank you all. As we are concluding the two-day symposium, to have the overview of all the events on 2 consecutive days, may now I request Dr. Stanzin Angmo to kindly give the closing remarks of the symposium. Ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Tsering Angchuk, Deputy Chairman, LHDC Leh, Guest of Honor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaha, Dr. Tsewang Namgyal, Director, Snow Leopard Conservancy India Trust, Dean Research, Dr. Subrat Sharma, Dean Sciences, Dr. Mohammad Hussain, distinguished guests, esteemed speakers, faculty members, dignitaries, and participants. As we conclude the 2-day symposium, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the organizers for the successful completion of the 2-day symposium on safeguarding frozen lifeline, glaciers, and cryosphere preservation in Ladakh. Organized by University of Ladakh, Snow Leopard Conservation Trust, and the Ohio State University to observe the World First Glaciers Day. The symposium aims to highlight the significance of glaciers in sustaining Ladakh's fragile ecosystem and to discuss conservation strategies to preserving the region cryosphere. Followed by the inaugural function, which commenced with the playing of the national anthem and ceremonial lighting of the lamp by distinguished guests, traditional khataks and mementos were present to the dignitaries as a gesture of welcome and respect. The esteemed chief guest for the event was Professor Saket Kushwaha, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of University of Ladakh. Mr. Mandeep Mintal, IFS Wildlife Warden Leh, graced the occasion as the guest of honor, while Mr. Sonam Lotus, Director of IMD Leh, was present as a special guest. The function begins with a formal welcome address delivered by the Mr. Dr. Mohammad Hussain, Dean of School Sciences at University of Ladakh, who expressed gratitude to the esteemed guests, organizer and participants for their presence in Ladakh. Through insightful discussion, technical session, and field visit, participants gained a deeper understanding of climate risk, conservation strategies, and the role of policy intervention. The event not only highlighted significant findings, but also inspired actionable commitment towards safeguarding Ladakh fragile ecosystem. At last, I wish you all a very happy World Glaciers Day, and with a pledge that we had taken in the morning at the Taruphu to protect our glacier, please repeat with me, ladies and gentlemen. Long live Himalayan glacier. Please repeat, guys. Long live. Himalayan glacier. Long live. Himalayan glacier. Long live. Himalayan glaciers. Thank you so much, audience, for listening very patiently. With this, we successfully concluded the 2-day symposium. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you.
First of all, I really would like to congratulate the University of Ladakh for this very successful, I would say, 2 days symposium. And we really thank you, Professor Kushwaha, sir, for your leadership. And for enabling this. This is not the end, this is the beginning of a very good in terms of glaciers. This is the International Year of Glaciers that we talked about yesterday. So hopefully we would do many more such programs in the future. And I'm really inspired and impressed by these group of assistant professors here. They have been working day and night, putting this together. So a huge round of applause to all of them, really.
Thank you. फिर से आपका नाम पूछूंगा क्या है? Madam Tabassum, the Master of Ceremony, thank you very much for doing this nice job. My most sincere greetings to the Honorable Deputy CEC Sahab, who is here with us. Sir, thank you very much for coming. My greetings to you. Jule, salam alaikum. Greetings to the Namdal Sahab. And I mean, he is the hero of the function. I have two heroes. He himself and then Subrat. Of course, the whole team is here. I mean, all of you are here. But I think, sometimes you have very deadly association, and this is for me a deadly association, which converted into a goal. So thank you very much for these positive vibrations. Of course, Hussain Saab is there, the Dean of School of Sciences. Dean Academic is Dr. Joldan. He is not here. I think he is busy somewhere. Dr. Rafi is there. Madam is here. And all the learned faculty, they are here. Maybe it will be difficult for me to bring their name one by one. And then officers from the organization, they are here. Virtually, I think we have partners over there. Snow Leopard Conservation, that society is there. I think it is society? Trust, okay. So they are there. And then Ohio State, they are here. Some of the researchers, students are here. Media fellow. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, my sincere greetings to all of you. And of course, the technical person here, because behind the screen, many people are working. Sometimes we see the people at the stage or in the front, but we have a series of people who are working for us. Somebody is serving tea, breakfast, those kind of things. So while we are closing the ceremony, it is neater for us. It is always wiser for us to pay greetings to them, because for any good cause, We need support from everyone. So my sincere greetings to all of them. Thank you very much for that.
Julian, good afternoon to everyone. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saket Kushwaji, Dr. Namgyal, Sonalapur Conservancy Trust, and Dr. Hussain, Dr. Subratji, and all the APs, all the participants, students, and all the dignitaries. First of all, I really congratulate and appreciate for today's day specialty, how you organize this. Throughout the globe, the day is celebrating, but it really matters how it's celebrated. So I really appreciate to University of Ladakh and Dr. Namgyal, Sonalapur Conservancy Director, for how you bring the shape, how you celebrate the day, 2-day symposium. Otherwise, it can be organized, it can be concluded in one day or 1 hour or 2 hours like that. So I really appreciate all the participants and all the contributors for this. So on behalf of LSDC, I would like to share my contribution and share our greetings to Professor Saketji. Since you come, we always have a very good and positive and good vibes from the university that we are doing this and that, and so many improvements are coming out of Ladakh. So thank you very much. And same with all the deans of various schools of research and all the participants, all the students. So thank you very much, Dr. Tabassum, for really speak more than what I did. So thank you very much. I really don't know. So whenever something related to environment, with glacier management of land resources and water management, it always reminding my university life. I did my university from Punjab University in geography. So while we were compiling our dissertation, my option was biogeography. So everything related to the environment and glacier, and even my madam always pushed me to do a PhD in this cryosphere in glacier related all these things. So for a few months, I really guided by my madam, but at the same time, I did the GIS. So I got some placement from Gurgaon-based company for photogrammetry. So 5 of we were selected in that universities, and that company, COVI company, which is a Denmark-based company. So where we have to do all the 3D mapping because of the cartography and GIS, remote sensing, and all of these things. We were selected in that. For 7 months, I spent there, and I thought that it's not a cup of my tea, so I left it. और लास्ट में एक बार फिर से मैं आप सबको थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा, मुझे भी यहाँ पे शामिल होने का मौका मिला. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय लद्दाख.
Thank you so much, sir. We definitely look forward for more collaborations and work for the welfare of the people and Ladakh as well. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, coming to an important point, as our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir mentioned that programs like this need a lot of effort and hard work, and it is not a one-day event. It is a hard work of many people, and many people work off-screen, on-screen, and for this, may I now invite Dr. Bashrat Ali, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, University of Ladakh, to kindly present the vote of thanks.
I, Dr. Basharat Ali, Assistant Professor in the Department of Zoology, stands before you to propose the formal vote of thanks at this momentous occasion of valedictory function. So on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for making this valedictory function of the 2-day symposium on safeguarding frozen lifelines, glacier and cryosphere preservation in Ladakh a truly memorable and inspiring event. First and foremost, I express my deep gratitude to today's chief guest, Mr. Tsering Angchuk, Deputy Chairman, Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, Leh, for sparing his valuable time to grace this occasion and share his invaluable wisdom with us. Thank you, sir. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief patron, Professor Saket Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, for gracing the event as guest of honor. His unwavering support and encouragement have been instrumental in making this event possible. Sir, we sincerely thank you for believing in us and all your constant support. A special thanks to the Snow Leopard Conservancy India Trust and Ohio State University for partnering with us in celebrating this first ever World Glacier Day. This initiative has played a crucial role in raising awareness about the conservation of our precious glaciers, and we are grateful for your collaboration, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to an end of our 2 days symposium, and may now I request you all for a group photo outside, followed by a high tea. Thank you all.